How to log in Remitly or create a Remitly account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically create a Remitly account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to log into your account or maybe create a new Remitly account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just launch the Remitly application here. Then once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to see this type of interface where you first of all need to simply select your language. As and when you select your language, what you want to do is on the next specific page you have two options to either create a new profile, or if you already have a profile you can log in. So if you already have an account and you want to log in, you can just tap the I already have a profile button here. Make sure to simply enter the email address and the password of your account. Tap the sign in button here. Or else what you could do is just tap on create a new profile option. Make sure to simply enter from where you want to send money to where you would like to send them over here. Once you select those details, just tap the next option. Make sure to enter the email address and the password that you want to use. Tap the join Remitly button and your Remitly account will be successfully created. And this is simply how you can go ahead and basically create a Remitly account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.